This is a News 3 Now special report.
Thank you for joining us for this News 3 Now coronavirus special report. I'm Christina Laurie. Dane County is one step closer to reopening this morning. The county will enter phase 1 starting at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. The data is based on criteria that health officials have been tracking in the Forward Dane plan. Phase 1 includes reopening all businesses, including restaurants, gyms, and retail establishments at 25% capacity with physical distancing. Statewide, we have surpassed 14,000 confirmed coronavirus cases, with 600 new cases in just the past 24 hours. 9 more people have died from complications of the virus, for a total of nearly 500 deaths. 58% of people have recovered. Although the state Supreme Court struck down Governor Tony Evers' safer at home order, DHS officials continue to track the Badger bounce back plan's gating criteria. Right now, only 2 of those criteria have been met. The percentage of tests that were positive in the past 24 hours is at 5.1%, and we're not seeing an overall decrease over a 14-day period. Airports are quiet on this holiday weekend, and it's expected to stay that way. For the first time in 20 years, AAA is not issuing a Memorial Day travel forecast. The senior vice president says he expects to set a record low. Gas prices are going up, but this will still be the cheapest Memorial Day for travel in almost 20 years. This will be the first time since 2003 that gas prices will stay below $2 a gallon nationwide for the holiday weekend. And you'll notice all flags are flying at half-staff right now. The Trump administration made that order in memory of the nearly 95,000 Americans who have lost their lives to the virus so far. There are now more than 1.5 million confirmed cases of the virus here in the U.S. Flags will stay at half-staff until noon on Monday to commemorate Memorial Day. Starting tomorrow, most Wisconsin state parks can return to their normal hours of operation from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day. A limited number of day-use restrooms will also reopen starting June 3rd. According to the DNR, all group, family, and indoor campsites are closed through June 7th. All events and shelter reservations have been canceled through that date as well. There are a handful of parks that will remain closed because visitors there would be unable to properly social distance. A new program is helping UW Health employees who are facing financial hardships during the pandemic. The Financial Relief Program was created through community support. It plans on helping employees who are working a wide range of jobs at UW Health, not just the ones on the front lines. The employees must fill out an application and can receive $500 on their next paycheck.
This program was built in response to a demand by donors who wanted to contribute to help essential workers through the suffering that this pandemic has brought upon them, to thank them for showing up to work, for taking care of our patients in our community.
If you would like to donate to the program, head to the website right there on the bottom of your screen. And another organization doing a whole lot of good, the Madison Reading Project, says it has now delivered 10,000 books to kids stuck at home during the pandemic. The nonprofit has partnered with several community organizations and schools to add books to home care packages and meal distribution centers. For groups that can't distribute the books themselves, the Madison Reading Project is filling in the gaps with their own doorstep deliveries. They still have a $20,000 fundraising goal. They've raised $3,500 of that so far. Thank you for joining us for this News 3 Now special report. We will have more on our evening shows and always on our website, channel3000.com. But for now, hope you enjoy your Saturday.